Welcome back to the vlog, and today we are in Arizona for the second consecutive weekend in a row. But this time we have Le Cannon.
What's up?
We were bowling a regional. This is one of the final 3 regionals on the West Coast, and we are looking for a W. I mean, I'm looking for a W to stay in this Player of the Year race. He's looking for a W because he hasn't won a regional yet. On our way to the bowling center, we're bowling on 44 feet. And that's the same distance as last weekend, but we're at a different bowling center, and they probably use different oil. Urethane is notoriously good here, and I threw urethane last week in the finals, so we'll keep that in mind. We're gonna keep our mind open. We have 11 bowling balls here. And we'll take a look at a couple of them in practice session, and we'll go from there. See you at the bowl.
Welcome to this public service announcement. We have been pacing pretty good to give away bowling balls just like this in 2023 if we hit 100,000 subscribers by December 31st, 2022. But we've been slowing down in recent times. Jess and I have crunched the numbers and we won't get there. So we need you to hit the red button if you want us to get there and potentially win one of these 100 bowling balls we're giving away next year. Hit the like button and hit subscribe.
So I got some valuable information. The right lane hooks me. I'm taking notes. I'm trying to at least. They turned off 2 of the pairs I'm bowling on tomorrow, so we're not getting notes on those. But I think I've bowled here plenty of times to know that pair is not awful, at least lane to lane. Had a lot of success here, but I'm thinking balls like altered, phase 4, phase 2's always got a chance. Alert. It's on the Hype Pro right now. The cleaner options because Bolero centers don't oil the first 2 feet of the lane, so something's got to get through it, right? Probably gonna hook it, but gonna try to stay open to whatever may happen. Alright, so I'm seeing a trend here. This is the value in taking notes. Since we know our starting pairs, I can bowl on the pairs that I'm gonna be bowling on tomorrow. I'm seeing a trend. All of my left lanes seem to be tighter down lanes, so that tells me that they're probably earlier, so I can play around that. Information is king, so it's good to know. Might save me a couple of frames tomorrow.
Say hi to the vlog! Yeah! What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob, how long you been bowling, Jacob?
A year.
A year? That's awesome. Who's your favorite bowler? Darren, right? Awesome.
You don't have to lie to the camera, it's okay. Alright, cool. I appreciate that. After 2, I'm 25 over. I don't know what the scoring pace is. They don't feel super easy. Definitely not as easy as yesterday in practice, but it's kind of expected for them to be a little flatter, a little tighter today. I think I started way too far left. I'm probably still too far left, but I'm here. And I guess I'm going to do what I did last week and just let it come to me. Hopefully it comes to me the same way. But I got a little bit of the yanks going. Thinking timing's getting a little early. Feet might be slow. Swing might be getting a little pulley. It's not good, but we're managing. It could be worse, it could be better. It's a little sloppy, but we're gonna work through it. Not very happy. My hand's just not doing the right thing. I'm still splitting a lot. Put the ball there. Striking plenty. I'm averaging probably like 8 to 9 again a game. It's plenty to be 200 over after 4, and I'm 70. I'm gonna cut back up the opening range. Things should get better. Well, my roommate's not happy for reasons beyond bowling, but obviously a little bit of bowling because he didn't make it. But I'm not the happiest guy I've ever been. But I'm in 9th place, 15-ish pins out of match play, so tomorrow we're gonna need a pretty good day. Climb up the ranks as much as we can in 4 games, and hopefully we'll be bowling round robin match play. It'll be 8 games and cut to the top 3. But you know, we've been talking a lot about windows in the ball reviews and stuff, and my ball just was not hooking in the right window. You know, you can get away with the big booming back-end motion strikes that look cool and stuff, which I had today. I threw a lot of them, but I split twice a game, and that limited my scores. So it's how the game goes sometimes. You just got to figure it out. and we're gonna do it a little bit different tomorrow. So we bowled 8 games yesterday. I split twice a game. It was very annoying, but we're here. We're currently about 15 pins out of the top 8, which they take for match play after 4 games of the catcher's round. We got the Shannon Cannon on the cam today. He is graciously sacrificing some work time to help us out here. So everyone say thank you, Shannon Cannon, down below, or follow him on Instagram, or do both. We're trying to practice here, so I'm gonna hand the camera over and let's see if we can find something a little better than yesterday. Well, we're done. I think we finished 9th, first out of the number, missed the cut by 15. I missed 4 maples this weekend, so I'm gonna look at that first. That's always the reason why. You know, 2 of them were single pins too, so 2 spares were in. I never really felt comfortable all weekend. Just felt like, it felt pretty bad, you know. I feel like I bowled really bad this week. Just didn't capitalize on the good pairs, bad shots, wrong time, missed way too many spares. Thanks. I didn't split it all today. I just didn't put them together where I needed to. Game 3, I just didn't throw the right ball. Got lucky with a 4-bagger and then it went through it 3 times and didn't strike and missed one of the spares.